Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 7, that is geometry. Let's go with some definitions. First of all, definition of point. What is point? A point is a fixed location. It is a fixed location. It cannot be moved. It is represented by a dot and a capital letter. Suppose we are drawing this dot on a paper. We can't measure the size of this dot. It can't be moved, but it can be represented by a capital letter. Point is always represented by a capital letter. Now moving with our next definition, a line. What is line? When we join so many points together, it forms a line, collection of points. It has definite, indefinite length. What does it mean? It means that it can be extended up till anywhere. Line has no end point. We can't measure the thickness of line. हम लाइन की लेंथ को जितना मर्जी बढ़ा सकते हैं, इसका कोई एंड पॉइंट नहीं होता. सपोज A and B, it is a line. It is collection of points. एक लाइन पे बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स, जैसे सपोज A and B are 2 points on a line and it can be extended in both the directions. It has no end point. Now third is line segment. What is line segment? It is part of line. line का एक part. It has definite length. इसकी जो length होती है, it can be measured. Suppose if I am saying draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. So it has 2 endpoints and it can be measured. A and B. These are 2 endpoints, A and B. Hope I am clear with these 3 definitions. Now ray. Ray is a part of line. Ray is just a part of line which has one endpoint. It has indefinite length. What does it mean? Indefinite. It has no fixed length. इसकी length हम extend कर सकते हैं. Example, this is a ray. It can be extended in one direction and it is part of a line. The name of this ray is A and B. Now collinear points. When we put 3 or more points on a straight line, then they are called collinear points. Suppose this is 1 point, 2 point, 3 points. So these are collinear points because they are on a straight line. Now non-collinear points. 3 or more than 3 points not on a straight line. When 3 points are not on a straight line, like A is here, B is here, C is here. So they are not on a straight line, so they are called non-collinear points. Now next is plane. Plane means flat surface. You can take as an example of the surface of a table. So it is just a flat surface of a table. So this is plane. Now children, let's revise all these 7 definitions with the help of figures. Now first one is identify this. What is this? As we have revised in the definition, it is just a dot. और dot को क्या कहते हैं? Point. We can't measure the size of point. Yes. Next is, you can see this is a line which is having 2 arrows. What does it mean? What does it mean when the line has 2 arrows? It means it is a line which can be extended in both directions. जैसे आप straw लेते हो, straw को आप एक straw और जोड़ दी, फिर तीसरी जोड़ दी, तो it can be extended in both the directions. So it is a line. Now next is, it is having 2 dots, 2 endpoints. Now what is this? This is a line segment. Line segment के कितने endpoints होते हैं? 2. जैसे आप race track में देखते हो, whenever athletes used to run on race track, उसमें fixed length होती है कि इतनी length, 100 meter race है तो 100 meter तक ही दौड़ना है, 200 है तो 200 तक. So that is a line segment because it has fixed length. Now next is, what is this? इसमें 1 arrow है और 1 dot है. It means it is a part of line. लाइन का पार्ट है. It can be extended in only one direction because one side पे एक एरो है और एक साइड इसका फिक्स्ड पॉइंट है. So it is a ray. As you can see, जब आप टॉर्च से लाइट निकालते हो, यू कैन सी द टॉर्च लाइट. टॉर्च तक तो उसका एंड पॉइंट है, बट जब तक वो लाइट ट्रेवल कर रही है, इट हैज नो एंड पॉइंट ऑन अदर साइड. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ए, बी एंड सी आर 3 persons. ये 3 persons हैं और तीनों एक ही स्ट्रेट लाइन पे हैं. सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? दीज आर कॉलिनियर पॉइंट्स. Now next, you can see A, B and C are 3 persons which are not on a straight line. So these are non-collinear points. Now last one is a flat surface. You can see a flat surface of a table. So what does it represent? It represents a plane.